Welcome back. Um, we are in module 3, how to make profitable business buy. So how to identify profitable crypto tokens to buy and when to buy them. Now, nobody can perfectly say when to buy, but what we look out for tokens. Now we have different difference between tokens and coins, but that's not the lecture we have to do today. But one of the few difference, or one of the things that we can differentiate them with, is that Bitcoin, for example, has its own blockchain. Any coin with their own blockchain. Blockchain is where you see their transaction, blah blah blah, on their own network. You know, BNB now is a coin. Many of these new coins, they don't have, they depend on, you can see that many of them depend on BNB. That is why when you want to check some details, you will go to BSC scan for BEP20 tokens. You go to BSC scan. Let me just show us an example. Yeah, now for example, most of these coins, or most of these coins, yes, this cryptocurrency can refer to as coins. For example, this is Bitcoin. So all of these BS, they have their own blockchain. Okay, now let's see Odo, for example. Even though these trending coins, most of them are either ERC20 token or BEP20 token. So let me just check this Odo. I have this coin and I love it a lot. Okay, so this is Odo. You can see from here I'll give us a little bit of explanation why we should buy a particular coin or not. But the coins I'll be introducing to us to buy, one of the coin is this coin. You should buy this coin, this token preferably. You see cryptocurrencies token odd at the left right top. So why you should buy it, because of what it does. I will try to show us. I'll just pick 2 coins because of time, so that the video will not be too long. But in the group I will tell us more tokens to buy. Now, in order to join the correct group, under CoinMarketCap, you can click on chat. This is their website. So I will show us many other things that will make us want to buy a particular token. Now, this is the contract address. This is what you use to buy in PancakeSwap under Trust Wallet or SafePower Wallet. You copy this, for example, if you want to buy it, then you will paste it in your under DApp PancakeSwap, then you paste it there. I've showed the video earlier. So this is it, the contract address. So this is BEP20. So if I want to check a little bit of details apart from CoinMarketCap about this coin, because it's a BEP20 token, I'll copy. I'll come to BSC scan. I'll come to BSC scan. Let me just Google search, then just click on the first one because of time. So bscscan.com. So this is on the blockchain. See, BNB itself has its own blockchain. So all of these new tokens, we can check them on BNB blockchain if they are BEP20 coins, or ERC, which is Ethereum blockchain, if they are ERC token coins. Okay, so I'll just paste that contract address. I will search. So I will have some other knowledge of the coin. This is the contract address in bold letters here. So balance, contract view. We have amount of all that is locked in liquidity pool. That liquidity pool means in PancakeSwap, for you to list your coin in PancakeSwap, you must drop a particular value of that coin, or BNB in that liquidity pool, so that buying and selling can take place. All the transactions, when people buy and sell, it is from that liquidity pool the transaction will be taking place. If you don't have liquidity pool, or if it is not locked, that's a sign of scam. Okay, I will still show us something like that later. So within the next few minutes, I will quickly round up this. So this is just BSC scan, meaning you can see details about the coin in BSC scan. All of the buys and sell. Look at this in. All of this in means people are buying. Nobody is selling at the moment because the coin has really fallen. Okay, so the time at which it was bought, you see that 57 seconds ago, 1 minute ago, and like that. So transaction hash. Now for Bitcoin, it will be on Bitcoin blockchain. But this, you see this hash. This hash is to show record of each transaction. Though you may not need this, but at least for the sake of knowledge and understand how these things work. Now this transaction hash will show you specific on a particular trade, one trade. Now if this is the transaction hash, I clicked on it. Success means that the person was able to buy odd token. Okay, from this is the person address. I don't know the person, but you can see that everyone can see what transaction took place, but nobody will know who the person is. Now this is the contract address of odd. You see that from this person to this person, so the person bought odd using PancakeSwap V2. Okay, the person bought. Okay, this is the fee that was charged, $0.07. Okay, so you can click here to see more if you want to. Just like that. So these are all. This is the way you can trace more information about what happens. Okay, though this person did not even buy anything. Probably it's just in boats. Maybe it's machine. If you click another, wow. Okay, let's just value 00 BNB 0 BNB 0 BNB. Let me see. Okay, maybe there's a kind of bug at the moment, but this is just how it is. Now you can also go to the website to see more. This is the website. Now what this coin does simply is, as you buy the coin, you get free BNB. At the moment, even a game is going on this coin. You don't even have to have the coin, and you play the game and you win. You win something for free. You don't lose at all. So you'll be given free of this coin, free of charge. So on their site you have better details. So maximum transaction amount 1 quadrillion odd. Now the whole odd that is available is 1 quadrillion, but they have burned. There's something we call burning in crypto. They have burned they have bought so many, I know, and I think they are to burn 5 trillion, or probably they did already recently. So at the moment 1 million of odd is 0.012. Total liquidity pool, like I said earlier, so it's 1 million US dollar. Now liquidity pool is the money that was put in PancakeSwap. Reward pool is this is where we all get free BNB, because by the time we get it, BNB is also is the coin that we use to buy all these coins. So they give us free BNB, like free money. At one point in time, because of the amount I was holding, I was getting about 120,000 naira per day. So they give free BNB per day. So reserve pool is for reserve to do advertising and all that. Then old market cap, the whole market cap of old market capitalization is the number of money that has been invested in old is 9 million US dollars. By the time old is just about 2 months old, by the time old is 1 year, 2 years old, if you are that patient enough, you may be a billionaire in naira. So it depends on you. So we have seen so many other things. Because of time, I cannot move on. That makes us know that they are genuine and that they are good. So all of this will come into discussion. These are tokenomics. The tokenomics, pre-sale and launch. You can see I talked about pre-sale earlier. 66% burn. They burn 23% of the coin. Burn means that they destroy the coin so that it can be smaller and it can have more value. So when it's smaller, the more smaller it is, the better the value will go up. Airdrop. You can see airdrop. Team only gets 1%. Okay, so airdrop is 5%. Sorry. So team and marketing 5%. So airdrop is still more. So that airdrop spinning that they are giving us free coin through game is part of airdrop, and it's 5% of the whole coin, and people are still collecting. You can still collect at this time. I would do that in the group how to get the free coin. So total supply is 4 quadrillion, 66%, 100% liquidity locked for 6 months. You see that locked for 6 months. So when you get to 6 months, they will of course likely lock again as we move on. So 5% for airdrop, team only gets 1%, which is locked, and 4% for marketing. Okay, so we burned 23.6%. So the coin is great. So you see, you can come to the roadmap, what they're able to achieve a particular time. So that is just it. Okay, so gamification is already on. They've started doing gamification. So NFT launching is something that they will do later. Okay, so this is just about this coin. So it's not just about one coin. So that is it. That is how to know what to buy, and then when to invest in it. So this total capital market is capitalization market is so small, so you can invest in this coin. So imagine if this just 30 leaves here and remaining 40 someday, you are in good money. Even if you put 10,000 naira, I'm telling you, you can be looking at 8 to 10 million naira if 30 disappears from here. So but it all requires patience and time. So it's something that you must be very, very patient. So this is just it. Things to look out for again is number one, the dev. The dev means those that the developers. You can join their social media to know to read about the dev and all that. You to talk to the dev community, see what they are saying, and all that. So Telegram is most. You join their Telegram group. You also check other things, check YouTube reviews and all that. Though that's what I will be doing for us too. But if you want to be independent, these are the things you look out for. You look at the market cap too. There's this coin too that I so love. Wow, the time of this video is really way too long already. So this is YFIH2. You can see this coin. Okay, the total supply of this coin, max supply is 25,000. So this is one of my best coin that I'm looking forward to in the next 1 2 years to make me a millionaire. I'm trusting God that this coin, and I believe not just by emotion or by faith, I believe that this coin will get to one of this coin 20, 30, 40 million naira, one of it. So today is 31 US dollars. So these are the tokens that I will encourage that we invest on. So also this is the contract address. It's also a BP20 token. That's why it's under BS, business matching network or blockchain. So that is just it. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.